All right. Have you ever wondered why some people seem naturally confident in life while others, they just constantly doubt themselves in everything that they do? Well, the difference isn't luck. It's not a special gift. It's actually called neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire itself based on repeated thoughts and focused action. And today, I'm going to show you how you can use it to build unshakable confidence and belief step by step. Before we dive in, if you're finding this content valuable, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me continue delivering more resourceful content like this to support your personal growth journey. So, what does neuroplasticity really mean? Neuroplasticity is your brain's natural ability to form new neural connections and pathways. Every time you think a thought like, I'm a failure or I'm not good enough, your brain strengthens that particular pathway. But here's the amazing truth. Whether you repeat to yourself or repeatedly do something, whether positive or negative, will actually become your brain's default setting. So, for example, confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build like a muscle by creating new mental pathways. Now, by repeating this thought or behavior, you actually strengthen or solidify that particular pathway. How is confidence wired? Well, think of your brain like a garden. The thoughts, ideas, and concepts are the food that you give it to grow. If you keep feeding doubt, self criticism, and fear, guess what? That's precisely what you're going to grow and strengthen. However, when you start planting and watering self belief statements, empowering actions, and confident body language, those new confidence circuits, those new neural pathways begin to take over and the old ones become weaker. Simple things that we don't pay much attention to, like speaking to yourself kindly, standing tall with an open posture and head held high, taking small, bold actions each day. These literally reshape your brain to associate you with capability, strength, and hope for a better future. Here's a practical neuroplasticity confidence exercise that you might want to try right now. You can use this whenever and wherever you like. Number one, choose one powerful statement. For example, I handle challenges with confidence. Number two, say it out loud while standing tall and breathing deeply. Number three, see yourself in your mind's eye succeeding in a real scenario while repeating this statement. This combination of language, physiology, and visualization creates a neural superhighway for confidence. Now, do this daily for at least 2 to 3 minutes with intention and gusto, and you are literally rewiring your brain for self belief and confidence. Remember, confidence isn't magic, it's neuroplasticity. And the more you practice, the stronger those circuits become. If you're ready to rewire your brain for unshakable self belief, please let me know in the comments with the word rewired. And don't forget to subscribe for more science based mindset tools. And as always, your growth is always my passion. See you in the next video.